A world of products, a world of videos, AliExpress, it's a global phenomenon, millions of products, everything imaginable. And how do they showcase these goods? Videos. Those tantalizing clips draw you in, showing off features and functionality. Ever wished you could download those videos? Good news, you absolutely can. It's easier than you think. This isn't about piracy though, it's about accessing information offline, sharing it with friends, or even using it for research. Imagine showing a group of friends a hilarious gadget demo without needing internet access. That's the power of downloading AliExpress videos. We'll show you how, safely and simply. Finding your video treasure. First things first, locate your video. Browse AliExpress as usual. Found a product page with an irresistible video? Excellent, that's your target. The video might be nestled alongside product photos or even embedded within the product description. No problem. As long as you can see it playing, you're good to go. Remember, AliExpress is a visual platform. Videos are everywhere. Don't be shy about clicking through different products, exploring various categories. You never know what hidden gem of a video you'll uncover. This is about more than just shopping, it's about discovering cool stuff. Choosing your downloader weapon. Now for the magic tool, a video downloader. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. There are tons of free downloaders available online. A quick Google search for AliExpress Video Downloader will reveal your options. Some are browser extensions, others are standalone programs. Pick one that suits your style. Once you've chosen your downloader, install it according to the instructions. Most are incredibly user-friendly. You'll be up and running in minutes. Now, with your downloader armed and ready, it's time for the main event, downloading your video. Downloading, the moment of truth. Here's where it gets satisfying. Go back to your AliExpress video. See that new button your downloader added? Maybe it says download or has a downward arrow icon. Click it. The downloader will analyze the video and, in most cases, present you with different download options. You might be able to choose the video quality or format, select what suits your needs, and click download once more. And that's it. The downloader will whisk the video off AliExpress and onto your device. You'll usually find it in your downloads folder. Now you've got it offline, ready to watch whenever and wherever you please. The legal seas we sail. A quick word of caution, always respect copyright. Just because you download a video doesn't mean you have to use it however you please. These videos are often the property of the sellers or AliExpress itself. Downloading for personal offline use is generally fine, but be mindful of redistributing or commercially exploiting them without permission. When in doubt, err on the side of caution. Check the terms and conditions of AliExpress and the specific seller if you're unsure. Remember, enjoying these videos responsibly ensures everyone benefits. AliExpress In numbers a colossal marketplace. It's worth taking a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of AliExpress. Over 100 million product listings from over 200,000 sellers reaching over 200 countries and regions. That's a lot of videos. And those videos, in many ways, are the lifeblood of the platform. They provide a crucial bridge between sellers and buyers, showcasing products in a way that words and photos simply can't match. So next time you're captivated by an AliExpress video, remember, you have the power to download it and take it with you. Just be sure to do so responsibly and enjoy the world of products at your fingertips.